Hello guys! In this devlog, I added terrain, roads, nature, hireable NPCs, and even more. And I will discuss the future of this project. First of all, I wanted to thank this guy for giving feedback, and I used that in this devlog. So yeah.
Let's go.
So first, I created the terrain in Eufen. Here. Remember this for the before and after. First, I tried randomly placing mountains. Okay, so that ob didn't look good. I tried random stuff until I decided to make it an island similar to Nick. First, I just made it bigger. This is the new shape. Added mountain here. Added beach. Then realized it's not the shape of an island, so I changed it. Now it looks fine. Found this tutorial for roads, so I followed it. Oh, and I added some trees. Then added some hireable NPCs on the beach.
And that's it. What I want to do in the future, make it so you can be a bad guy as well, committing crimes. Basically choose your side. And I want to add other superheroes as well. So you can choose who you want to be, like Superman, Batman, and so on. The changes are still in review, so it will be updated soon. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Cheers.